students. Today we are going to see here the fifth exercise in lesson 4. So what is given here? Mettez le verbe au conditionnel. Put the verb in conditional tense. I hope you remember how to conjugate the verb conditional. If you are not really sure, please go through my grammar video. It is there, conditional tense, how you have to conjugate 3 modal is there using ER or IR or RE verb. So you must revise that. Afterwards you come back for this exercise. So get the conditional stems and you have to write the ending. How you are getting the stem, how you are writing the ending, you must see there properly. Then only you can easily conjugate here. Okay. Conditional ending and imperfect ending both the same. That also you remember that. Okay. See here in the second one. So see the exercise here. So here verb should be in the infinitive form or not, you must check out. Then only you can easily conjugate in conditional tense. S'il vous partez à 5 heures du matin, vous dash à l'heure. The verb is arriver is in infinitive form and we need to put in conditional tense. There is a rule in French. If the sentence starts with CI and the first verb is in imperfect, the second verb should be in conditional tense. I repeat, if the sentence starts with C and the first verb is in imperfect, the second verb should be in conditional tense. Si vous partiez à 5 heures du matin. If you are leaving at 5 o'clock in morning, vous arrivez. You would arrive on time. So check out the answers for this. Second one. S'il vous plaît, nous ne sortions pas. If it were raining, we will not go out. Third one. Si ne gagnais à la loterie, je un palais à Jaipur. Acheter is the verb. So if I win the lottery, I would buy a palace in Jaipur. Fourth one. Si mon réveil ne sonnait pas, je ne étais pas en retard. My alarm is not ringing, I would be late. Fifth one. Si vous voulez ton portefeuille, tu dash porter plainte. If someone steals your wallet, you would get a complaint. These 5 sentences you must conjugate in conditional tense. The second bracket verb is in the infinitive form. That infinitive form you have to change and write it in the conditional tense. First verb is already conjugated in imperfect and sentence start with the C. Okay, if the sentence start with the C and the first verb in imperfect and second verb arrive should be in conditional tense. So future tense of the conditional of arrive, you are not having any special for this. Just arrive, write everything, hold the things. According to the subject ending, you have to write IE is it. So vous is the subject, so ending is IE is it. Okay. Si vous partiez à 5 heures du matin, vous arrivez à l'heure. Second one. S'il vous plaît, nous ne dash pas. Swarti is the verb. If it is raining, we will not go out. See is sentence and plover is in imperfect and second verb swartir is in the conditional tense. Swarti, so you are not having stems. So write the whole infinitive form for swarti and according to the subject, nu is the subject. So ending is IONS. Ending. Okay. So Swartiyo. Subject. According to the subject, you have to write the ending. That you also you remember. Now the verb is conjugated in conditional tense. So future tense plus conditional ending. That is imperfect ending. Future tense and conditional tense are the same. Okay. The imperfect conditional ending both is same. Third sentence. Sine gane alotre dash ampale a Jaipur. Ashate is the verb. If I won the lottery, I would buy a palace in Jaipur. So sentence start with the C. C is ifuma, that is. Okay. Ganie is in imperfect. Ashate, I have to write it in conditional tense. Future tense of the ashate, we know in the previous exercise we saw that stop of the first E. You have to have a grave accent. So ashate you write and first E grave accent and according to the subject is r, ending is AIS. AIS. That you remember. Okay. Ashatere. Fourth one. Simo ravine sonne sentence start with the C. First verb sonne is in imperfect and second verb atre should be in conditional tense. See here. Here atre only is the verb. Bracket you change and write. So atre is the irregular verb. So for you have to try to write a conditional tense is SER is the stem and according to the subject is AIS is the ending. Okay, for atre verb you have to read in book back it is there. Fifth sentence, si voulait. The sentence start with C. First verb is in voulait is in imperfect. Second verb porte should be in conditional tense. Porte, you are not having a irregular future tense. It ends with ER. So you can write the whole things and according to the subject add ending AIS. Okay. Portere. Tui portere plant. I hope you understand this. So mug up it the how to conjugate the conditional tense. That is only you can do. No need to mug up the verb. Thank you.